AI chart redefines advertisements and commerce. Conversational AI is rapidly becoming a new control layer for advertising and e commerce, challenging the long standing dominance of search engines, display ads, and online marketplaces. Instead of browsing websites, users now ask questions, receive recommendations, and complete purchases directly within AI chart interfaces, compressing discovery, decision making, and transitions into a single flow. Welcome to War India News Hour. Recent enterprise advertising experiments by OpenAI signal ambitions to tap revenue streams traditionally controlled by Google and Amazon. A key disruption is the rise of zero click commerce, where AI agents compare price, check availability, and complete checkouts without redirecting users to external websites, reshaping how brands compete for visibility. Advertising models are also shifting from keyword based targeting to real time context aware placements embedded within conversions, where intent and relevance outweigh traditional SEO tactics. This evolution threatens publishers reliant on referral traffic as AI summarizes reduce click thoughts. In response, Amazon, Google, and OpenAI are accelerating conversational commerce strategies. In India, platforms like WhatsApp Business and Geo, alongside DPDP driven privacy norms, are fueling this transformation. Let's look into today's headlines. India to help enable 50 fabulous semiconductor companies in next phase. Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnav recently met semiconductor chip design firms approved under the Design Linked Incentive DLI scheme for the Semicon India program to review progress and innovations. He reaffirmed the government's commitment to building a strong indigenous semiconductor design ecosystem, noting that its multi year ecosystem driven approach is yielding results. Vaishnav highlighted that the DLA scheme currently supports 24 startups. Microsoft signs $750 million Azure cloud deal with Perplexity. AI startup Perplexity has reportedly signed a $750 million deal with Microsoft Corporation to use its Azure cloud service, spreading its business beyond long-time cloud partner Amazon.com Inc. The 3 year commitment will let Perplexity deploy AI models through Microsoft's Foundry service, including those made by OpenAI, Anthropic, and XAI. Perplexity, however, has not shifted spending from Amazon Web Services, the long-time cloud provider for the startup. Perplexity is one of the more richly valued AI startup, but faces stiff competition from Alphabet Inc., Google, and OpenAI. Amazon reportedly in talks to invest as much as $50 billion in OpenAI. Amazon is in talks to invest dozens of billions in ChatGPT maker OpenAI. According to sources, the figure could be as high as $50 billion. This discussion is still in the early stages and the final numbers have not been finalized. Big tech companies and investors such as SoftBank Group Corporation are racing to forge partners with OpenAI, which is spending heavily on data centers. These companies are betting that closer ties with the AI startup could give them a competitive edge in the AI race. Viasat directs its focus on strengthening in-flight connectivity in India. Global provider of satellite communications, Viasat is strengthening its focus on in-flight connectivity in India, drawing on its experience in global aviation and the work of its India-based engineering teams that support large-scale satellite connectivity operations worldwide. The company received authorization to provide in-flight connectivity services in India in 2020. Since then, it has been offering connectivity to commercial airlines, business jets, and strategic platforms operated by the Government of India. Viasat has also established dedicated ground infrastructure in the country to support aviation connectivity. As enterprises shift focus to passwordless security, India nears MFA saturation. According to Okta's Secure Sign Trends Report 2025, Indian enterprises are approaching multi-factor authentication MFA saturation with adoption rates nearing 90%. The report shows MFA adoption in India has reached 89.4%, significantly higher than the global average of 70%. Data indicates that Indian organizations have established a strong baseline for identity security and continue to prioritize access protection. MFA adoption in India grew by 4.1 percentage points year on year, indicating that security remains a top tier executive priority. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow War India magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.